Controversial ZANU-PF politician Killer Zifu has raised eyebrows after advising opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa to delay his political return in what some critics see as either strategic wisdom or a subtle attempt to politically sedate the youthful former presidential candidate. Zanapenda mashukuru kwa Zivu waya vachiti aiwa Chamisa ngambomira kudzoka aiwa paactive politics panguva ine ndotipa subscribe like on the bell icon tipinda pina mubulani kwa mchenzi Zivu, known for his unpredictable commentary and previous sympathies towards opposition causes, took to social media over the weekend with what appeared to be friendly advice aimed at Chamisa in quotes. Delaying your return might be strategic, brother, Zivu wrote. Wait till your generation see competing with you or those who were not in the struggle are running mates. Coming back now might mean getting dissolved quickly like glucose. The message wrapped in metaphor and brotherly tone has sparked debate. This is if offering genuine guidance from a seasoned political observer or attempting to lure Chamisa into political inactivity while ZANU-PF consolidate its grip. Observers noted that Chamisa's absence from mainstream opposition politics since forming his Blue movement has created a vacuum, one that Zivu's remarks could be seeking to extend. As Chamisa continues to play his cards close to the chest, Zivu's advice, seemingly warm but strategically loaded, leaves the opposition leader with much to consider. Whether Chamisa takes the bait or sees through it could shape the political terrain in the months ahead. Thomas Kwanobuda panapa achitaura pamusoro penhau iyi. Tinoona kuti panapa Advocate Nelson Chamisa munhu watori nenharo abva aita a-post akati when it happens it shall happen unexpectedly and suddenly. Ndo mashoko anoda togona Nelson Chamisa ecomment yatinoti aiwa Chamisa yes vanokwanisa kumuvhundutsira kana muchisidzira but araudza kuti aiwa haavhundutswi nezvinhu izvi. Pita comment section medu dzemafungo aimoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chetombe bell.